When comparing SalesHoo versus SaleHoo directories, you're probably wondering which one offers better insights into suppliers, especially if you're looking to kickstart or grow your dropshipping business. Both platforms claim to give you access to suppliers, but let's dig deeper to see which one really delivers the insights you need to make informed decisions. Stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal a hidden gem of an alternative you might not have heard of. First, let's talk about SalesHoo. It's widely known for its massive directory of over 8,000 suppliers, but what's more important is its search functionality. You can filter suppliers by location, product category, and even payment methods, making it easier to narrow down your search. However, here's where things can get tricky. SalesHoo has a lot of suppliers listed, but you don't always know which ones are actively selling and which ones might be outdated. Their platform doesn't do enough to keep that information updated, which can lead to time wasted sifting through irrelevant results. Next thing, let's look at SalesHoo directories. This is essentially a streamlined version of SalesHoo, focusing on the supplier directory and offering fewer bells and whistles. It claims to provide a more refined list of suppliers who are verified and pre-screened, which sounds great on paper. But the problem is, the SaleHoo directory service lacks the additional tools SalesHoo offers, like the research lab for finding trending products and market analysis. So, while you might get a smaller list, you don't get the same level of supplier research options to make more data-driven decisions. The third thing to consider is the overall supplier insights. SalesHoo does offer some level of transparency with supplier ratings and feedback from other users. You can get an idea of a supplier's reliability, which is useful. However, it's not foolproof. Sometimes, the reviews might not be enough to gauge the full picture of a supplier's performance, and you may need to do some extra legwork. On the other hand, SaleHoo directories lacks a robust review and rating system, which means you're more likely to rely on the provided details without the reassurance of user feedback. While it claims to offer reliable suppliers, you'll have to trust that these suppliers are performing well without seeing first-hand accounts. Next, let's talk pricing. SalesHoo has an upfront cost with annual membership fees, and while it does offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, that can still be a bit of an investment. SaleHoo directories is slightly cheaper, but lacks the additional features that SalesHoo provides. It's more for people who just want a simple directory without any extras, but at the cost of fewer insights and tools that could actually help you get ahead in your business. Finally, let's dive into ease of use. SalesHoo's platform is designed to be user-friendly with a smooth interface. The search filters and additional tools like their product research lab make it a bit more intuitive for people new to sourcing products. SaleHoo directories, on the other hand, can feel a bit too basic at times. Without the advanced features that SalesHoo offers, the interface might not feel as sophisticated or helpful for those who want more detailed insights about suppliers. So, which one gives better insights into suppliers? While SalesHoo definitely offers a lot more in terms of features and supplier insights, there's a catch. The platform's massive database can be overwhelming, and the quality of suppliers varies. If you're looking for more detailed insights, SalesHoo is the clear winner, but you'll need to take the time to sift through the directory to find reliable suppliers. That said, after trying both platforms and weighing the pros and cons, if you want a better alternative that delivers more transparency, deeper supplier insights, and tools that help you make smarter sourcing decisions, then I highly recommend checking out the free trial through the first link in the description. This option not only gives you access to better tools, but through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available to regular users. So, if you're ready to take your dropshipping game to the next level, don't miss out on this deal.